Hey guys, we're here with another video. In this episode, of 10 or 5 best, we've researched the best top 5 camera lenses. Watch our top 5 recommendations. Now having excellent top 5 camera lenses can change your photography experience. If you want to see the price and find out more information about this, you can check out the link below in the description in the comment section. Alright, let's get started with the video.
5.
Sony FE Super Telephoto Zoom Lens with superb image quality and beautiful bokeh. High resolution throughout the zoom range. Zoom to 1200mm with teleconverter. Outstanding image quality with 2x teleconverter lens. Fast, precise, quiet AF. Constant autofocus with blazing speed. Refined control. No change in length of the lens while zooming. Linear response manual focus. Customizable focus hold buttons for easy access. Explore the world with 200mm to 600mm zoom. Nano AR coating suppresses reflections, flare, and ghosting. Nikon NIKKOR ZF 2.8S telephoto zoom lens at 70mm. Focus can be achieved as close as 0.5 meters from the subject. Lens utilizes standard 77mm filtered thread. Lens offers customizable function buttons and control ring for versatility. Round aspherical lens elements. Adoption of appropriate glass material with a high refractive index enhances aberration correction capability. A uniformly precise lens surface is achieved with improved lens shape flexibility. Lenses previously considered difficult to produce. Anti-reflection coating minimizes flare and ghost effectively with the combination of nano crystal coat and ARNEO coat. Focus breathing reduction ensures smooth movie expression with minimal shifting of the angle of view when adjusting focus. Multi-focusing system. Position of multiple lens focus groups is controlled with AF actuators. Archives quiet, high-speed, and highly accurate AF control as well as superb imaging performance across the entire shooting range including close distances. New powerful stepping motor. While ensuring high speed, highly accurate AF drive of large diameter lenses, quiet AF control prevents noise from being recorded in movies. Sirui 24mm anamorphic lens. One of the obvious changes for the 24mm lens is reducing the minimum focusing distance to 0.6 meters. Welcome to the Sirui anamorphic world. Wider focal length. High quality continuous, 2.4. 1 wider cinematic perspective. Smooth focusing operation. f2.8 aperture. Sci-fi blue light streaks. Oval bokeh effect. 0.6 meters minimum focusing distance. Superb cinematic imaging. 5 lens mounts optional. Canon EF. High-performance L-series ultra-wide-angle zoom lens with constant f2.8 maximum aperture. All-new optical design for significant improvements in outer and corner sharpness. GMO dual-surface aspherical element. 2 UD lenses help reduce chromatic aberration, leading to precise color rendition, accurate edge-to-edge detail and sharp contrast. Weather-sealed. Durable. Air sphere coating. 9 aperture blades. Great bokeh. Improved off-center performance. Beautiful sun stars. Good edge performance. Excellent weather sealing. Canon EF. Panasonic Lumix Professional 12 to 60mm camera lens, Dual IS 2.0 with Power OIS, mirrorless micro 4/3. Premium designed and Leica quality with faster focus tracking via a 240 fps linear motor. Splash, dust and freezeproof. Power OIS Dual IS2 compatible. Manual aperture down to f2.8. Many other features of this lens are nano surface coating, high-speed autofocusing, advanced optical image stabilization, standard zoom lens, rugged high-performance design, etc.